Hi, Professor Drendel. After reading the first three chapters, my first thing I found interesting was in chapter 1 was about phytochemicals, and they're basically called superfoods, even though they're not fully declared that, because superfoods isn't like a full name yet. But so I found very interesting that they're very beneficial for our body to help with eye health, the immune system. They have antioxidants, and they have many different benefits for the body. They prevent cancer cells from arising. And they're found in fruits and plants or vegetables. So they're basically in natural foods that we eat, and having them in those whole foods instead of like dietary supplements, it's way better for you. And it's also why red wine's good for you, because red wine has grapes, and having moderate amount over red wine gets you those phytochemicals, and so it's really good for you. I mean, you don't essentially need these, but it definitely does help your body with being more improved and helping your life be more healthy. And then, so my question for that is, how does those phytochemicals actually work? Do they have those antioxidants in them? Do they interact with hormones or parts of your body to release those things? The phytochemicals go into your eyes and help with your eye health or heart health. So how do those phytochemicals actually work when they come into your body? And then my second question is a little bit more reflecting on me, is about dietary fiber in chapter 3. And so dietary fiber, what was interesting was that it stimulates peristalsis, which brings in water into the large intestine. And so drinking fluid with that fiber helps your fecal become more bulky and soft, and helps prevent constipation, helps prevent hemorrhoids, helps with decreasing inflammation, has a lot of benefits, and you definitely don't want a low fiber diet. So I use it, and it keeps you more full because fiber is not digestible, so it stays in your GI tract more or longer. So I used to take this Metamucil. Has like 6 to 8 grams of fiber, some soluble, some insoluble, and that really made me feel better, helped me feel more full. But one thing I noticed was that when I went to the bathroom, the fecal staining wasn't there was almost none. So I wonder, it's kind of personal, but I was wondering why that happens. And then my second question is, I have these Quest bars as well, which have a lot of protein, but 16 grams of fiber, and has sugar alcohol in them, and it's low carb. But having that much fiber in one sitting, is that really bad for you? And will that do long term for me? And including it with sugar alcohols, is that going to be really bad for me? Should I stop eating that? And so yeah, that's my questions about phytochemicals and fiber.